Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will go through the multinomial and Bernoulli naive and we will train a document to identify whether a sentence belong to a document or a cinema. Okay, so I am having a CSV file, so let's look into the CSV file first. So we have something like example train.csv. So you can see it have two columns. First one is the sentence and second one is the class it belongs to. Okay. So let's open it in Excel to understand more clearly. Here you can see. So we have two columns. First one is document and second one is class, which class it belong to. Correct? So this is a simple document and we will train our model in such a way that it will predict whether a sentence belong to class or education. Okay. And in next video I will go ahead and train some of the real data to classify SMS, whether the SMS is spam or ham. Okay, so let's get started. So first we will start with, we will what I have done, I have just loaded this data set. So these all code we have done earlier also, so I will not explain these code. These are the basic ones. So we have just uploaded the data set and here we are doing the mapping. So we are giving cinema the value 0 and education value 1. Why we need to do so? Because sklearn require data into integer format, so we have to do this mapping to the column. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, now all this education line got one number and all the cinema line got assigned 0. Okay, now when we train our model, what we do, we split our data. Okay, now let's split our data into x and y levels. Okay, so for that I have to convert this into numpy array. So this line is basically converted into converted it into numpy array, and here we are storing the first column and here the second one. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, as you can see, the first column got stored in xtrain and the second column got stored in ytrain. And why we have converted to integer? As I told you, sklearn requires data in integer. We are storing it in integer. Okay, so now we'll create a bag of word representation. So let's go ahead and understand bag of words model. So what is bag of word? It's basically a technique in which used in NLP, in which we represent text data. So what we do, we simply convert data into numerical feature vector representation. Okay, so let's go ahead and understand with an example. Suppose we have three words or three sentences. We can say document 1 is I love cat and dogs. So let me write that, I love cat and dogs. The second sentence is I hate dogs. And the third sentence is I love birds. Okay, now what we will do, we will tokenize these sentences. What we will do, we will create a dictionary or a vocabulary with unique words in this entire sentence. So suppose it will be something like I love cat and dog, then hate and birds. These words will create a vocab. So what I have done, I have taken words only one time from all of these sentences. So as you can see, the vocab array is combination of the words found in all three of these sentences. Sorry, my eraser is I have activated eraser. Okay, sorry. Now let's go ahead and write this. And then dog, then head, and then birds. Now we will identify from this vocab in document 1 which words have came. So I is there, so we will put it 1. Love is there, so we will put it 1. Cat is there, so we will put 1. And is there, so we will put 1. Dog is there, so we will put 1. Why my pen is not working? Just a second. Yeah, then 0 0. Okay, because other hate and birds were not there. Okay, in second sentence, I is there, so we'll put 1. The rest all 4 words are not there, so we'll put 0. And then the word is like dogs, so for dogs I will put 1, and for hate I will put 1, and for birds I will put 0. Okay, in the third sentence also I will do the same thing. For I love birds I will put 1, and I will put remaining as 0. So 0 0 0 1. Okay, so this is something representation of bag of words. So as I have explained you what is bag of words, so in Python we have a library count vectorizer which basically calculates or which basically generate the array of bag of words. So what we have do, we first import this and we will create an object of this class, and now we will fit our data. Okay, so this is the name of the vocab words and this is the index assigned to them. And what is a stop word? So all the words like and, is, of, which don't have a real meaning in the sentence, we remove those words from our vocab. So to remove those words we use stop words. So let me go ahead and remove those words. Now see, all the stop word like and, is, of has been removed if you compare this from this one, and a final vocab has been created. Okay, and now count vectorizer has a function, this class has also a function that print the name of the features. So if we go ahead and print this, we can see the name of the vocabs has been printed. All the columns got printed. And what is the length? The length is 12. Okay, now what we are doing, we are transforming this into a matrix, into a sparse matrix. So this line will basically, it will create a 5 into 12 matrix. Why 5 into 12? Okay, let's go ahead and print then explain. Okay, yeah, you can see the each row represent each sentence. So in our Excel we were having 5 sentences, 1 2 3 4 5. So here you can see number of rows is also 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, and 12 columns representing each feature. So the name of the feature we have printed here, where we have printed the names of the features. Here. So all these 12 features are represented by each column in this matrix. Okay, now let's go ahead and print this whole data into a data frame. Okay, names. Okay, in newer version out is removed and this is the function basically. Now you can see we have like name of the features, their count in each of the sentences. Okay, so this video is getting longer, so I will split the video in 2 parts. So in next part we will go ahead and train our model. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.